Nobody's walking the Camino. I am actually by myself right now, which feels pretty nice to have this time to myself to think and reflect and have this experience all on my own. And man, the nature is so beautiful. This part of Spain is just freaking gorgeous. I mean, look, so gorgeous. I already walked like 3 or 4 kilometers. I have a lot more to go, but I'm super excited. I'm so grateful to be here. You know, this is a great experience to just remind yourself that you can do hard things, you can do scary things, and sometimes the only thing that's stopping you is your mind. And holy shit, look at how beautiful this tree is. Okay, wait. Oh my god, it's massive. This is some like Game of Thrones stuff. Like, so beautiful. Stop for a little break. The place where I want to go eat breakfast gave me a little chocolate, so it was time to recharge my batteries a little bit. And now I will continue. I see 2 pilgrims in front of me and there's the guy behind me, so it has picked up a little bit. And man, it's so great. There's this thing that literally said you will die alone on one of the mile markers. So I was like, come on, how discouraging is that? And then someone wrote over it, you're not alone. So that was kind of an encouraging message, I guess. Oh my god, they're so cute. Man, it's awesome to look back and to see how far you have come. Because yeah, there's a lot more to go, but I've also walked a lot. Actually, almost half of it. So it's pretty exciting. Man, it's so beautiful. Honestly, I'm speechless. And there's literally nobody else. Okay, I was walking and I had to stop and take a video because it looked like this little stone was smiling. Isn't it so cute? It's like a little sign that you didn't know you need it, especially when you're tired. A little bit more. I have to go over here. So close yet so far away. Okay, as if the walk wasn't hard enough, the ending of the walk ends with all of these stairs.